Hello, first graders, and happy International Day! So, today at Oasis is International Day. And what this means is that we celebrate the fact that we are all from different parts of the world. I know that I am from a part of the world, the United States, that some of you are from, but we have 11 different nations in our class, boys and girls. And even more when we combine with Miss Mikhail's class. So many friends from all over the world. So today, for our social studies job, we are going to pause to take a moment to celebrate the fact that we are from all over the globe, but we all live in Turkey together. So what you are going to do is you are going to do a project for me. You're going to have a job to do that we're going to share with our friends so that we can learn about your passport country or the place that you call home. All right, so first I'd like to share mine with you. This is a poster about where I'm from. So Virginia is the state that I am from. The country that I am from is the U.S. or the United States of America. So for your project, you're going to make a poster and you can pick either your country to talk about, or you can pick your state, or maybe it's called a province, or maybe it's called a district, but wherever you live, you can tell us about it. So mine is Virginia, and that is the state I live in. And if you look at this picture here, you will see that Virginia is colored red. That is where I grew up. This picture right here, this navy blue one, is a picture of the state flag, the flag of Virginia. And a fun fact for you first graders, both Miss Mikhail and I lived in Virginia when we were little. So we both grew up in the same state, but we didn't meet each other till we moved to Turkey. All right, so there are a couple of things that I'm going to share with you and that I would like for you to share with me when you go to do your project. The first one is about language. Most people in Virginia speak English because we live in the United States of America. Food. In Virginia, people eat lots of beef, turkey, chicken, and ham. In Virginia, they grow apples and peanuts and a whole lot more. Across the street from the house that I grew up in as a little girl, there was a cornfield. So in Virginia, they grow lots of different crops. The weather in Virginia. Virginia is not too hot and not too cold. There are 4 seasons, so we get a little bit of snow in the winter, but it gets really hot in the summer. And so then we have all 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. The money. Since Virginia is part of the United States, they use dollars and cents. Landmarks. Virginia is famous for Mount Vernon, George Washington's home. George Washington was a president of the United States of America a long time ago, and he built a house in Virginia. So that is a landmark that we are famous for. And clothing. People wear t-shirts and shorts in the summer and warmer clothes in the winter to keep them nice and warm. Maybe where you're from, you have a traditional dress that you wear only on special holidays. That would be fun to learn. I look forward to learning all about you, boys and girls. Please have your mom or dad, or maybe you take a picture of your project because we're going to share them with friends later in the week. Happy International Day!